Hello guys, welcome back once again. So yes, Asus versus Honor 7X, Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 by the way. So here we have it, and this is the speed test. So without any further ado, I think we should get straight into the test, starting with the boot up test. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. I've already done a lot of speed test. You can check that out on the channel as well. Let's see. Asus really fast boot up. And let's see if Honor 7X can beat Asus. And no, Asus faster and Honor 7X not done yet, and it actually taking some time. So yes, let me quickly set this up and all guys, as always. So as you guys can see, everything is closed and we should start, and everything is closed once again, starting with the phone dialer. That was equal. Calendar, faster on Honor 7X. Let's see settings. Okay, this is faster on Asus. Camera, okay, this time it's Honor 7X. Chrome, faster on Honor 7X. Let's open WhatsApp, faster on Asus. YouTube, open on 7X and loaded as well. Let's open some social apps as well. Pinterest, this time it's Asus. Snapchat, again it goes to Asus, so just a little bit faster. Facebook, again faster on Asus. Instagram, okay, this time equal. Let's open some games guys, starting with Orbia. Here we go. And faster on Asus once again. Smash it. Let's see what happens here. And again, so Asus is just proving to be a little bit faster. Opening 3 Real Racing. Let's see, this is again a little bit heavy game. Can Honor 7X do a comeback? And no, it's again faster on Asus, as you guys can see that. Really faster, and Honor 7X taking a lot of time. And in fact, a lot of time. Okay, come on. Oh my god. Okay, finally done. Let's open Flappy Bird. And faster on Asus. Subway Surfers. Let's see guys, and if you end up liking this video guys, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. And this is again faster on Asus, Honor 7X. Okay, it's done as well. GTA San Andreas, the final game. After this we'll be opening some shopping apps. And this is again seems to be a little bit faster on Asus. And yes, it is actually faster, but not a huge difference in this one. So yes, that's pretty much it for the gaming. Let's move on to some shopping apps guys, opening with Amazon. And open and loaded on Asus. Let's open few more. Flipkart, opened and loaded on Asus once again. And Honor 7X not done. Okay, finally completed. Let's quickly check out the RAM management. Snapchat refreshed. Then we have WhatsApp refreshed again. Facebook, okay, refreshed on Honor. Flappy Bird again refreshed on Honor 7X. Smash It refreshed on both. Let's see, GTA San Andreas in the RAM. And then we have this Orbia, that is refreshed on both. Subway Surfers refreshed on both. And yeah guys, there we have it, Honor 7X versus Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. And Honor 7X is really an old phone. And in fact, I've did it with Honor 8X. You can check that out as well, where Honor 8X did really well. So yeah, that's pretty much it in this video guys, and hope you guys liked it. Please give it a big thumbs up, it does help a lot. Subscribe if you're not. And yes guys, like, subscribe, share, and as always, peace out.